How to turn off parental controls on Play Store. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable parental controls. So first thing, go to Play Store. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top right here and click on your profile, click on settings, and on this page you will find many options. Click on family option like this and go to parental controls, click on it, and here it's turned on. Now click here and add your pin, click OK, and it's turned off. As you can see, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.